What's up, guys? Cornerd here. Today we're actually going to be taking a peek at an unboxing of the Logitech G series keyboard set. It's the G710 Plus, and basically with this keyboard it has the feature of being a mechanical keyboard. I believe it's Cherry MX Blue, but I'm not exactly sure. We're going to find out in this unboxing today, and if I like it, I'm going to keep it. If I don't like it, it's going back. So as you can see, it is showing the fact that it's a mechanical keyboard. You have your W, A, S, D for moving around, and you've got some special function keys. What I like about this keyboard, I believe, is that it has two USB ports in the back, which they can be used. Has 110 key anti-ghosting, I assume, so it doesn't stay. 26 key rollover, game desktop mode, dedicated media controls. So it pretty much has a decent amount of things here to offer. It's actually quite nice, and I believe it lights up. So let's go ahead and... It says high speed, low noise, tactile switches for feedback you can feel. We'll see if I can feel this, and we'll see if I like it. So let's go ahead and unbox her, and hopefully I can try to get her unboxed. Let's see if I can have a unboxing. We'll use a guitar pick here. So the most interesting unboxings are when you find stuff that you don't need, or you can just wedge your way through it. As you can see here, slowly but surely, or you can use your nails, as you can see here, to get it open. So, you know, like I said, if I like this, I'm going to keep it. If I don't, it's going straight back to where I got it from. And by the way, if you guys want to do this, Best Buy offers price matching right off of the internet, so the only thing you'll have to worry about paying is the tax. Otherwise, if you're willing to pay the tax, you'll get it faster as far as that's concerned. And I believe we can just pop this thing right out here. I'm not sure if you need to have it open on both ends. Maybe you do. But we're going to try and find out. Here, there you go. It slides in like that. Get rid of this. By the way, this is the reason why I'm getting a new keyboard in general. This broke, and I was looking for a new one, so unfortunately this is the excuse. And yes, it was an Apple keyboard, if you were wondering. This is a better keyboard, I assume. So again, we're presented with just a simple black box here. So we're gonna open it up, and hopefully, these companies love to put the plastic seals on. So we'll try again, use our guitar pick here to open it. If you know you're a musician, then you're using a guitar pick to try to open this and failing epically. At least I can start it up and then go ahead and peel it. I'm not sure how easy this is going to peel off. Seems like it's coming off. Okay, now for the second one. I'll peel this here. Oops. Get our guitar pick. Wedge it in just to get it a tiny bit open. There we go. Here it comes. As you can hear, it's peeling itself off and wondering what the heck I did with this. Alright, and now we're going to go for the grand finale and actually open this thing up. So, 1, 2, 3. Here it is. So, just to get you a closer look in here, we'll lift it downwards. So, yeah. This should be very interesting. Let's give it it's a big, big keyboard, as you can see here. So it seems like they're giving you a couple of things to look at here. Oh, wow. I didn't expect this. This is like heavy duty wire. Oh my god. Wow. And it even comes with nice tape to keep it, not tape, excuse me, nice Velcro to keep it nice and clean. What else do we have here? So we have actually a stand that we can put it under. I assume it fits over like so. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and open this up, and I can tell you from how it feels, and maybe we'll discover exactly as far as what Cherry MX style this is, if it is a Cherry MX, and we'll see how nice it is. Or I could just look on the internet while we're peeking. So, I mean, you've got this stuff. Other than that, that's it. Now, as you can tell, based on the look of this, this is not a cheap item in the least. This item, like I said, because I got it off of Newegg and then showed it to Best Buy for the price, they gave me it for $120. Now, this is not cheap, but then again, most mechanical keyboards you find are not going to be completely inexpensive. So, oh god, I might like this. Oh, that's a bad thing. Let's see here. So, as you can see here, they're not like regular keys. They're kind of in between. Oh god. This is nice. This is your volume rocker. Oh, wow. I'm already liking this thing. Has very, and when I mean very nice response to it, it's nice. I'm not gonna lie that this thing is, these are not mechanical on the other hand, these up here, or they're a little bit tougher. Now one thing that's nice about this, again, is as you can see it does have 2 USB ports. So that's actually a good thing, because with that I can have my mouse plug into it and it actually doesn't, it's not like it's going to use too much power. So I mean, this thing feels like an expensive keyboard. So I give it to Logitech for actually making it feel awesome. Now I might want to keep this thing, which is not cool. So, as you can see, this is what makes a mechanical keyboard. And if you actually look at the Windows logo here, this is updated for Windows 8. Not that it really matters. So, good job to Logitech to make it actually feel, it feels nice. I don't know how to explain this, but I know when I'm typing that keys are going down. You can even press in between and it will go down. So the lightest press you have, it will go down. And yeah, we'll see how this is. I think what I might do is I might do a full-on review later of this and let you know how I liked it overall. But yeah, this is one nice keyboard, and I have to say, I didn't expect the connectors to be as high quality as they are, and I have to say I give them really, really good credit for this. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, this is the Logitech G710 Plus, I believe. If I'm wrong, please forgive me, as there are many Logitech models out there. I believe this is, yeah, the G710 Plus. Mechanical keyboard, and yeah, it's worth it. I have to say that you do get what you pay for in this case, and I have felt the difference. So, thank you guys again for watching this video. If you like this unboxing, definitely give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my videos. So thank you guys again for watching, and we will be doing more unboxings, reviews. I even have another one planned for the Galaxy S3 versus the Galaxy S4. My friend having the Galaxy S4, will do a comparison. So thank you guys for watching this video. Definitely stay tuned, and I will be making some more videos coming up. Thank you.